Welcome! If you're new to meal prepping, you're in the right place. Meal prep is all about planning and preparing your meals ahead of time, making your week smoother and healthier. In this video, we'll walk you through the basics, from setting goals to storing your meals. Whether you want to save time, eat healthier, or just reduce stress during busy weekdays, meal prepping can help. Let's start by understanding what meal prep really means and why it's such a game changer for so many people. Ready to dive in? Let's get started. Meal prep simply means preparing some or all of your meals in advance. This could be as simple as chopping vegetables for the week, or as involved as cooking full meals and portioning them out. The goal is to save time, reduce food waste, and make healthy eating easier. Meal prepping can be tailored to fit your lifestyle, whether you're cooking for one or a whole family. It's flexible and can be as simple or as detailed as you like. Let's look at the main types of meal prep you can try. There are a few main ways to meal prep. First, you can batch cook, which means making large quantities of a meal and dividing it into portions for the week. Second, you can individually portion out meals, like lunches or dinners, into containers. Third, you can prep ingredients, such as washing and chopping veggies or marinating proteins, so they're ready to cook. Each method has its own benefits, and you can mix and match based on your needs. Let's explore how to choose the right method for you. Before you start meal prepping, it's important to set clear goals. Are you trying to eat healthier, save money, or just save time during the week? Your goals will help you decide what types of meals to prepare and how much to make. For example, if you want to eat more vegetables, you might focus on prepping salads or stir-fries. If saving money is your priority, you might look for budget-friendly recipes. Take a moment to think about what you want to achieve with meal prep. Planning your menu is a key step in meal prepping. Start by deciding how many meals you want to prepare for the week. Think about your schedule. Do you need lunches, dinners, or both? Choose recipes that use similar ingredients to save money and reduce waste. Make sure to include a balance of proteins, carbs, and vegetables. Write down your menu for the week and keep it simple, especially if you're just starting out. Now, let's move on to making your shopping list. Once you've planned your menu, it's time to make a shopping list. Go through each recipe and write down all the ingredients you'll need. Check your pantry and fridge to see what you already have, so you don't buy duplicates. Organize your list by category: produce, proteins, grains, and so on to make shopping quicker and easier. Having a clear list helps you stay on budget and avoid impulse buys. With your list ready, you're set for a successful grocery trip. When you head to the store, stick to your list as much as possible. Shop the perimeter of the store for fresh produce, meats, and dairy, and avoid the processed food aisles when you can. Look for sales and discounts on items you use often. Buying in bulk can save money, especially for staples like rice or beans. Don't forget to bring your reusable bags. Once you're home, it's time to get organized and start prepping. Having the right tools makes meal prep much easier. Invest in a good set of sharp knives, cutting boards, measuring cups, and mixing bowls. For storage, use containers that are microwave and dishwasher safe. Glass containers are durable and don't stain, while plastic ones are lightweight and affordable. Consider getting a set of containers in different sizes for snacks, salads, and main dishes. With your tools ready, you're set for a smooth prep session. Before you start cooking, clear and clean your workspace. Make sure your counters are free of clutter and gather all your ingredients and tools. Wash your hands and tie back long hair. Having a clean, organized space helps you work more efficiently and safely. Lay out your containers so they're ready for filling. Now, you're ready to start prepping your meals. Start by washing and chopping your vegetables. Prepping ingredients in advance saves time during the week and makes cooking much faster. You can also marinate proteins or cook grains like rice or quinoa ahead of time. Store prepped ingredients in airtight containers to keep them fresh. Label each container with the date, so you know when it was prepared. With your ingredients ready, assembling meals will be a breeze. Batch cooking is a great way to save time. Cook large portions of a recipe, such as soups, stews, or casseroles, and divide them into individual servings. This method is perfect for busy weeks when you don't have time to cook every day. Store each portion in a separate container and refrigerate or freeze them as needed. Batch cooking helps you avoid last-minute takeout and ensures you always have a healthy meal ready to go. After cooking, portion your meals into containers. Use a kitchen scale or measuring cups to ensure each serving is the right size. This helps with portion control and makes it easy to grab a meal on the go. Label each container with the meal name and date. Store meals in the fridge for up to 4 days, or freeze them for longer storage. Proper portioning keeps your meals fresh and helps you stick to your goals. Proper storage is key to keeping your meals fresh and safe. Use airtight containers to prevent spoilage and keep flavors intact. Store meals in the fridge if you'll eat them within a few days, or freeze them for longer periods. Arrange containers so the oldest meals are in front, making it easy to use them first. Always reheat food thoroughly before eating. With good storage habits, your meals will stay delicious all week. Food safety is crucial when meal prepping. Always wash your hands and surfaces before and after handling food. Keep raw meats separate from other ingredients to avoid cross-contamination. Cool cooked foods quickly before storing them in the fridge or freezer. Label all containers with the date, and throw out anything that looks or smells off. Following these safety tips will help keep your meals safe and tasty. Pick recipes that are simple, nutritious, and easy to store. Look for meals that reheat well, like stir-fries, pasta dishes, or grain bowls. Avoid recipes with ingredients that get soggy or lose texture after a few days. If you're new to cooking, start with basic recipes and gradually try more complex dishes. Remember, meal prep is about making your life easier, not more stressful. A balanced meal includes protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats. When planning your meals, aim for variety and color, different vegetables, grains, and proteins. This not only keeps things interesting, but also ensures you get a range of nutrients. Don't forget to include snacks, like cut fruit or nuts, to keep you energized throughout the day. Balanced meals help you feel satisfied and support your overall health. To save time, prep multiple ingredients at once. For example, roast a tray of vegetables while cooking rice and grilling chicken. Use kitchen gadgets like slow cookers or instant pots to make cooking easier. Clean as you go to avoid a big mess at the end. With a little practice, you'll find ways to make meal prep faster and more efficient each week. If you're cooking for yourself, meal prep can help you avoid food waste and save money. Choose recipes that are easy to scale down or freeze leftovers for later. Use smaller containers for portion control. Prepping for one means you can focus on your favorite meals and experiment with new recipes without the pressure of cooking for others. Meal prepping for a family requires a bit more planning, but it can save a lot of time during busy weeks. Involve family members in choosing recipes and prepping ingredients. Make larger batches and use big containers for family-style meals. Prepping together can also be a fun way to spend time and teach kids about healthy eating. Vegetarian meal prep is easy and delicious. Focus on plant-based proteins like beans, lentils, tofu, and eggs. Include a variety of vegetables, grains, and healthy fats. Try making big batches of veggie chili, grain bowls, or salads. Vegetarian meal prep can be just as filling and satisfying as any other style, and it's a great way to add more plants to your diet. If you follow a special diet, like gluten-free, keto, or dairy-free, meal prepping can help you stay on track. Look for recipes that fit your needs and prep ingredients in advance. Label containers clearly to avoid mix-ups. Prepping your own meals gives you control over what goes into your food and helps you avoid hidden ingredients. Breakfast is often rushed, but meal prepping can make mornings easier. Prepare overnight oats, egg muffins, or smoothie packs ahead of time. Store them in grab-and-go containers for busy mornings. Having breakfast ready means you'll start your day with a healthy meal, even when you're short on time. Lunch meal prep can help you avoid unhealthy takeout and save money. Make salads, grain bowls, or wraps in advance and store them in individual containers. Add dressings or sauces just before eating to keep things fresh. With lunch ready to go, you'll have more energy and focus for the rest of your day. Dinner is often the most time-consuming meal, but prepping ahead can make it quick and stress-free. Prepare casseroles, sheet pan meals, or stir-fries in advance. Store them in family-sized containers or portion them out for individual servings. With dinner ready, you'll have more time to relax in the evening. Healthy snacks keep your energy up between meals. Prep snacks like cut veggies, fruit, yogurt, parfait, or homemade trail mix. Store them in small containers or bags for easy access. Having snacks ready helps you avoid unhealthy choices and keeps you satisfied throughout the day. Freezer meals are perfect for busy weeks or unexpected events. Prepare dishes like soups, stews, or casseroles and freeze them in individual portions. Label each container with the meal, name, and date. When you need a quick meal, just thaw and reheat. Freezer-friendly meals help you avoid last-minute takeout and food waste. Labeling your containers helps you stay organized and avoid confusion. Use masking tape or sticky labels to write the meal name and date. Arrange containers in your fridge or freezer by meal type or day of the week. This makes it easy to grab what you need and keeps your kitchen tidy. When reheating your meals, make sure they're heated all the way through. Use a microwave, oven, or stovetop, depending on the meal. Stir food halfway through heating to ensure even temperature. Always check that meats and eggs are hot and cooked through. Safe reheating keeps your meals tasty and prevents foodborne illness. Cleaning up after meal prep doesn't have to be a chore. Wash dishes and wipe down surfaces as you go to avoid a big mess at the end. Use a dishwasher if you have one, and let containers air dry before storing them. Keeping your kitchen clean makes meal prep more enjoyable and sets you up for success next time. Leftovers are a natural part of meal prep. Use them for lunches, snacks, or even as ingredients in new recipes. Store leftovers in airtight containers and label them with the date. If you can't eat them within a few days, freeze them for later. Reducing food waste saves money and helps the environment. Meal prep should fit your lifestyle, not the other way around. If you have a busy week, focus on simple recipes and quick prep. On slower weeks, try new dishes or batch cook more meals. Adjust your meal prep routine as your schedule changes, and don't be afraid to experiment until you find what works best for you. Staying motivated with meal prep can be challenging at first. Set small, achievable goals and celebrate your progress. Try new recipes to keep things interesting. Remember why you started, whether it's to save time, eat healthier, or reduce stress. Over time, meal prep will become a natural part of your routine. It's easy to make mistakes when you're new to meal prepping. Don't try to prep too many meals at once. Start small and build up. Avoid complicated recipes that take too long or require special ingredients. Don't forget to label your containers and always check for freshness before eating. Learning from mistakes will help you improve your meal prep skills over time. Meal prepping doesn't have to be expensive. Choose budget-friendly ingredients like beans, rice, and seasonal vegetables. Buy in bulk when possible and use leftovers creatively. Planning your meals in advance helps you avoid impulse buys and food waste, saving you money in the long run. If your goal is weight loss, meal prepping can help you control portions and avoid unhealthy snacks. Choose recipes that are high in protein and fiber to keep you full. Measure your portions carefully and plan balanced meals. Having healthy options ready makes it easier to stick to your goals. For muscle gain, focus on meals rich in protein and healthy carbs. Prep lean meats, eggs, beans, and whole grains. Include snacks like Greek yogurt or protein bars. Portion your meals to match your calorie and protein needs. Consistent meal prep supports your fitness goals and helps you recover after workout. If you have a busy schedule, meal prepping can be a lifesaver. Choose quick recipes and prep ingredients in advance. Use slow cookers or instant pots to save time. Store meals in grab-and-go containers for easy access. With a little planning, you'll always have a healthy meal ready, no matter how hectic your week gets. Students can benefit from meal prepping by saving time and money. Choose simple recipes that use affordable ingredients, prep meals for the week, and store them in portioned containers. Having meals ready helps you stay focused on your studies and avoid unhealthy campus food. Bringing your own meals to work saves money and helps you eat healthier. Prep lunches and snacks in advance and pack them in portable containers. Choose meals that are easy to reheat and eat at your desk. With your meals ready, you'll avoid the temptation of fast food and stay energized throughout the workday. Traveling doesn't mean you have to give up healthy eating. Prep snacks and simple meals that travel well, like sandwiches, wraps, or salads. Use insulated containers to keep food fresh. Having your own meals on hand helps you avoid unhealthy airport or roadside food and keeps you energized on the go. Meal prepping for kids can make school mornings and after-school snacks easier. Prep kid-friendly meals like mini sandwiches, fruit cups, or veggie sticks. Involve kids in the process to teach them about healthy eating. Store snacks in small, colorful containers to make them more appealing. If you or your family members are picky eaters, meal prepping can still work for you. Choose a few favorite ingredients and prepare them in different ways. Offer a variety of options at each meal and let everyone build their own plates. This keeps meals interesting and ensures everyone gets something they like. Looking for inspiration? Browse cookbooks, food blogs, or social media for new meal prep ideas. Try different cuisines and experiment with new flavors. Sharing meal prep photos with friends or online communities can also keep you motivated and spark creativity in the kitchen. If you run into challenges, don't worry, it's all part of the process. If meals get boring, switch up your recipes or try new ingredients. If you're short on time, focus on prepping just a few meals instead of the whole week. Remember, meal prep is about making life easier, so adjust as needed and keep going. Congratulations, you've learned the basics of meal prepping for beginners. Remember, the key is to start simple, stay organized, and adjust as you go. With practice, meal prep will become second nature, saving you time, money, and stress. Enjoy the benefits of healthy, home-cooked meals all week long. Happy prepping.